Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all back in the online classes of maths. I hope you all are perfectly fine. And earlier we have discussed till chapter 8, and now today I'm going to discuss chapter 10, which is fraction. And soon I will upload the video of chapter 9 for you all. And this video is for chapter 10, which is fraction. So let's start with our first topic, which is what is fraction. So a fraction is a part of something, or you can say it is a part of a whole. So student, as you can see here, a whole circle is divided into two halves and one half part is colored with red. So the red part is 1 out of 2 halves, which is equals to 1 upon 2. You are wondering, what does it mean by 1 upon 2 or 1 by 2? So student, let me tell you, the top number tells us how many parts are there in the fraction, the colored part, which is called the numerator. And the bottom number of the fraction tells us how many parts of whole is made up of, which is also called the denominator. Now, let's see fractions as a part of a whole. So first one is 1 half. So what is 1 half? When an object is divided into two equal parts, then each part is called 1 half of the whole. And student, we can express 1 half by 1 upon 2 and read as 1 by 2 or 1 over 2. So here you can see this is the figure for 1 half of the fraction. Now next one is 1/3. So students, when an object is divided into three equal parts, then each part is called 1/3 of the whole. So we can express 1/3 by 1 by 3 and read it as 1 by 3 or 1 over 3. Here you can see this figure it shows the fraction for 1 upon 3 or 1 by 3, and here a whole circle is divided into three equal parts and one part is shaded. So the fraction for one shaded part is 1 upon 3. Now next one is 2/3. So what is 2/3? When an object is divided into three equal parts and two parts are taken out of three, then it's called 2/3 of the whole. Student, we can express 2/3 by 2 by 3 and read as 2 by 3 or 2 over 3. Students, here you can see this figure shows the fraction 2 by 3. So here a circle is divided into three equal parts, and out of three we have taken two parts, means two parts are shaded. So the fraction is 2 upon 3 or 2 by 3. Now 1/4. When an object is divided into four equal parts, then each part is called 1/4 of the whole. We can express 1/4 by 1 by 4 and read it as 1 by 4 or 1 over 4. See here, a picture is given in which a circle is divided into four equal parts and out of them one part is shaded. So the fraction for shaded part is 1 by 4. Now 3/4. So what is 3/4? When an object is divided into four equal parts and three parts are taken out of four, then it's called 3/4 of the whole. So student, we can express 3/4 by 3 out of 4 and we can read as 3 by 4 or 3 over 4. So here student, you can see in this picture this whole circle is divided into 4 equal parts, and out of 4, 3 parts are shaded. So the fraction for shaded part is 3 out of 4, or 3 by 4. Now, what is fractional number and fractions? So, the numbers such as 1 half, 2/3, 1/4, 3/4, etc. are known as fractional numbers, and their symbols like 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, etc. are known as fractions. Now let's see what is fraction of collections. So as you can see here, these figures shows the fractional part of a collection or a group. So here in first one, total number of balls are 15, and 5 out of 15 parts are shaded. So the fraction part is 5 out of 15. And the second one is total number of balls are 9, and out of them 3 parts are shaded. So we can say 3 out of 9 parts are shaded. And the next one, here 6 balls are given, and out of 6 balls 2 balls are shaded. So we can say 2 out of 6 parts are shaded. And the last one, 3 balls are given, and out of 3 1 ball is shaded. So you can say 1 out of 3 parts is shaded. So now let's see with an example. Here, shearing bananas. So here we can see there are 9 bananas which we have to share amongst 3 students. So here first is Rahul, second Rohan, and third is Gopal. Now how we can share the bananas equally in all 3 children's? So we need to divide bananas into 3 shares. So we have to do the sharing of 9 bananas into 3 shares. So let's see how we'll do that. 1 out of 3 of 9, which means you have to divide 9 by 3. So after dividing you get 3, which means we get 3 bananas for each child, as we can say 3 bananas in each share. Now let's see how we can share a dozen of oranges into halves. So first we'll see a dozen oranges means 12 oranges. Here you can see in this picture 12 oranges are given. Now you have to divide the oranges into half. So half dozen means 12 divided by 2, because half means 1 by 2. So now after dividing we get 12 divided by 2 is equals to 6, which means each half contain 6 oranges, or you can say half dozen of oranges means 6 oranges. Hope you have understood all these points. Now let's see some activities I have given. Here you have to circle the correct option for each of the following. So see the circles and find out which fraction is correct for this given circle. Now in the next one, here some groups are given and you have to color the half of each of the following groups. So this is all for today. Thank you.